This is my 2021 Ford Raptor 37 Performance Package truck. This standpoint is going to be kind of an ownership standpoint. So I'm going to show you some really neat features of the truck and also show you why I own this truck and if it's right for you to own a truck similar to this. 2.4 kilowatt max AC plug. So you're able to run drills and saws and all that kind of stuff from the rear of the truck. You plug it in right there. And this truck has what's called Blue Cruise, which actually now I'm driving with hands-free. So kind of like in a Tesla, it's gonna take turns for me, but I don't have to do anything.
Let's go.
As always with my other reviews on the Urus that I've done, the Aston Martin and things, I like to hold on to more of my money. And you guys look at a truck as being almost a six-figure truck, as me spending six figures on the truck. But the way I think about it, potential overall risk factor into owning this truck. So I don't look at what I pay for it. I look at how long I'm gonna keep it, my intentions, and what that vehicle is gonna be worth when I am ready to exit the vehicle and get into something else. And Raptor has been proven since Raptor's existence to be able to hold its value better than any other Ford vehicle on the market.